So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So above all, I want you guys to know that the overall trend on our GBP USD is on a downtrend move. We are very much on a downtrend move. So have it in mind that market is still very much bearish, right? So if you can go in for the sell and hold your sell position for the next 3 months, then you are definitely going to be making a lot of things. You are going to grab a lot of profits, make a lot of profits from this movement. If you can go in for the sell and hold it the next months, 2, 3, or even 4 months. But we would want to see what market will be doing for the day. In order for us to be able to predict what market will be doing for the day, we need to make use of our current trend, which is the 4-hour time frame. So with what market is doing right here, GBPUSD is likely to push up one more time. So let's see it push up one more time. See it able to tap a level of 3 to 730. So this is what we should be targeting for the day on our GBPUSD. That should be giving us about 50 pips if I'm not wrong. So we should be able to see GBPUSD give us a bullish move first. See it comes to tap a level of 1.3 to 730. Once it taps that level of 1.3 to 730, then I'm going to give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next on GBPUSD. If in case markets will give us a change in movement or change in trend or move any other way, I will do the updates and let you guys know. So subscribe in order for them to miss out on the updates.